Hidden room doors bring a special touch to any home. Whether you choose a classic bookcase, a sleek mirror, a decorative panel, or a rustic barn door, hidden doors offer more than just privacy, they're an invitation to adventure and imagination. Each style we've explored today not only adds a practical element but also transforms a simple room into an experience, a place where you can retreat, recharge, and enjoy a touch of magic in your everyday life. So, whether you're creating a private home office, a cozy reading nook, or just adding an unexpected twist to your decor, a hidden door can be that perfect detail that makes your space uniquely yours. Enjoy the journey of bringing a hidden door to life in your home. It's sure to add intrigue and charm for years to come. A classic and timeless choice, bookcase doors are often the go-to for hidden room enthusiasts. These doors offer both form and function, blending into any wall while providing valuable storage. To create a successful bookcase door, consider choosing a full-height bookcase that spans from floor to ceiling. This design not only maximizes space but also enhances the illusion that it's part of the wall rather than an entryway. Opt for books and decorative items to fill the shelves, being mindful to balance weight, as heavier items may cause strain on the door over time. For an added touch of mystery, consider installing a trigger mechanism, like a hidden latch behind a specific book or a push-to-open system. These small details add an extra layer of excitement, making the hidden door feel like something straight out of a spy novel. When planning a bookcase door, make sure to choose a sturdy, well-built design that can withstand regular movement without disturbing the items on the shelves. Another tip is to use matching moldings and baseboards to help the bookcase door blend seamlessly with surrounding decor. For an authentic feel, classic hardwoods such as mahogany or walnut offer durability and a rich, traditional look that complements a variety of home styles. A bookcase door adds a sophisticated, old-world charm that feels both functional and magical. Imagine walking into your hidden study, cozy library, or secluded reading nook through a book-lined passageway. It's the perfect retreat within your home. If these hidden room door ideas got your creativity flowing, be sure to like this video and share it with anyone who loves secret spaces and clever design solutions. For a more contemporary look, mirror or panel doors are sleek and stylish options that offer a minimalist, streamlined aesthetic. Mirror doors, in particular, serve a dual purpose by providing a reflective surface, which can make a room feel larger and brighter. This option works exceptionally well in smaller spaces, where the reflective quality opens up the area. Choose a full-length mirror for dramatic effect, or multiple panels for a modern, segmented style that adds texture to the space. Panel doors, on the other hand, allow for seamless integration into the wall, especially when painted the same color as surrounding walls. This design is perfect for hiding a bathroom, bedroom, or utility closet in a way that feels understated and elegant. Sliding panel doors are particularly popular in modern designs, as they save space and add a sleek, contemporary look. The smooth movement of a sliding door adds an element of sophistication, and the lack of visible hinges or knobs makes it virtually disappear when closed. For both mirror and panel doors, quality materials are essential. A high-grade, frameless mirror provides a clean, uninterrupted look, while MDF or solid wood panels ensure durability. To add intrigue, some homeowners choose to add a soft-touch mechanism, where a gentle press opens the hidden door, maintaining the illusion of a smooth, uninterrupted wall. These hidden doors are a practical, modern way to add style, mystery, and functionality to any contemporary home. What type of hidden door would you want in your home? Share your ideas in the comments below. I'd love to hear. If you're looking for a highly personalized and artistic approach, using wall art, murals, or wallpaper as a disguise for your hidden door can be a fantastic option. This design creates a door that truly blends into the environment and offers endless creative possibilities. A mural, for example, allows you to cover an entire wall with a scenic or abstract design, seamlessly hiding a door within it. Choose a mural that complements your room's aesthetic, from forest landscapes to urban cityscapes, and position the door within the scene to enhance the illusion. Wall art pieces or large paintings can also conceal a hidden door, provided they're mounted on hinges or a sliding track. This option is perfect for those who want to maintain the flexibility of changing their decor without altering the door itself. If murals or wall art feel too bold, wallpaper is a subtle and stylish alternative. A continuous wallpaper pattern that extends over the door and surrounding wall creates an uninterrupted surface that's almost impossible to distinguish. Choose intricate, textured patterns, or even metallic designs, which create an added layer of depth and visual interest. For added functionality, consider attaching hooks or shelves to the hidden door, provided they're lightweight. Not only does this increase storage options, but it also helps the door blend even more seamlessly with the rest of the room. Concealed doors with wall art and decor provide a unique blend of style and personal expression, transforming your hidden entrance into a statement piece that enhances your home's interior design. For more unique home design ideas, including secret spaces and clever storage solutions, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. If you're drawn to an industrial or rustic look, sliding barn doors offer a unique way to create a hidden room while adding character to your home. Unlike traditional hidden doors, barn doors make a statement, becoming a focal point while still serving as a clever entrance. Industrial-style barn doors with exposed hardware, such as iron brackets, metal tracks, and rustic wood finishes, create a rugged, durable look that works well in lofts, modern farmhouses, or industrial-inspired interiors. They're ideal for separating larger spaces, like living rooms and home offices, or concealing an entry to a basement or home theater. To create a true hidden room feel, consider installing sliding barn doors that extend beyond the standard door frame, concealing the transition into the hidden room without compromising style. For an even subtler effect, choose a barn door design that mimics the surrounding walls. For example, a rustic wooden door that matches wall paneling in a cabin or rustic home blends seamlessly, appearing as a decorative accent rather than an entryway. Adding a lock or latch mechanism can increase privacy, ensuring your hidden room stays concealed and secure. Industrial barn doors are versatile and can be customized with various materials, colors, and finishes to match your interior style. Steel accents, reclaimed wood, or distressed paint finishes bring character, while sliding hardware ensures smooth functionality. By combining modern practicality with rustic charm, sliding barn doors offer a balance of hidden room privacy with the visual appeal of exposed hardware and unique finishes. Welcome to the captivating world of hidden room doors. Adding a hidden door to your home brings mystery, elegance, and practicality. It transforms an ordinary space into something extraordinary, sparking intrigue and adding a unique design element. Whether you're concealing a cozy reading nook, a home office, or simply adding a layer of privacy, hidden doors create a sense of wonder that's hard to match. Today, we're diving into ideas that combine style, functionality, and the thrill of a secret space. From bookcases and mirrors to sliding walls and paneling, we'll explore how hidden room doors can enhance any home. Join us as we uncover inspiration for creating a beautifully concealed entrance that's as stylish as it is functional. Check out our home design playlist for even more creative ideas to transform your home, including hidden doors, secret rooms, and other clever features. As you close the door on this hidden space, imagine the stories and memories waiting to unfold within. Each hidden door brings a sense of wonder, adding character and mystery to your home, inviting a world of possibilities beyond. Let it be a private retreat or a space for treasured moments, enhancing the essence of your living space. May your hidden door continue to spark curiosity and surprise for years to come. Explore more of our home design content for ideas on transforming every part of your home, from hidden doors to stylish living spaces. A hidden room is more than just a space, it's an experience waiting to unfold with each step through its secret door. Imagine the quiet escape it provides, a place where you can unwind and reconnect, undisturbed by the world outside. It's a sanctuary designed solely for your enjoyment, a small mystery within your home that adds to its unique story. Loved the hidden door concepts featured in today's video? Check the description below for links to all the products and tools used to create these secret spaces. As you enter, you feel the everyday worries slip away, replaced by the comfort of a space crafted just for you. Whether it's a cozy reading nook, a creative studio, or simply a hideaway, this room transforms into whatever you need most in the moment. Each visit is a reminder of the joy and curiosity a hidden door can inspire, bringing a bit of magic to the ordinary. Let this be your retreat, where your imagination can roam free, and the beauty of seclusion invites a sense of peace. May it continue to hold a special place in your home and heart, forever a secret, and forever yours.